In this video, we will talk about understanding the EXIF metadata for an image. So we'll start with, your images have a voice. Give them one. Your images have a voice. Most of them have been silenced, not by you, by default. Every image you publish carries invisible metadata that drives how search engines find, index, and rank it. The problem? Almost nobody fills it in. This is the story of the invisible layer that determines whether your images get seen or get buried. The invisible baggage. Every photo you take carries hidden data inside the file. Not the pixels, not the colors. A separate layer of information that most people have no idea exists. It is embedded the moment the shutter clicks, written silently into the file by your device, and it follows the image everywhere it goes. The reality, what the camera writes. This hidden data is called EXIF, Exchangeable Image File Format. Your camera writes it automatically. GPS coordinates, camera model, aperture, ISO, shutter speed, date and time. All of it recorded into the file at the moment of capture, invisible to the human eye, but perfectly readable by machines. The three languages of images. But EXIF is just the beginning. There are actually three metadata languages that can live inside a single image file. EXIF is the technical layer, written by the camera. Aperture, ISO, GPS, shutter speed. IPTC is the editorial layer, read by stock platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Keywords, captions, credits. And XMP is the contextual layer, read by Google Search. Titles, descriptions, custom fields. To be found by algorithms, your images need all three. EXIF is just the beginning. The empty void. Here is the reality. Most images on the internet carry 0 IPTC keywords, 0 XMP titles, 0 descriptions. The camera data might be there, Nikon, ISO 400, aperture f2.8. But the fields that actually make an image searchable? Completely empty. Null, 0, void. The fields that matter most are the ones nobody fills in. Blind algorithms. And this is what happens next. Algorithms do not see pixels. They read data. When you upload an image to Google, to Etsy, to Amazon, to Shutterstock, the algorithm scans the file for information. If the metadata is empty, the algorithm has nothing to work with. Your image is on the server. It exists, but it is invisible. Nobody finds it. Nobody clicks it. Nobody buys it. The algorithm is not broken. It is blind because you gave it nothing to read. Enter the EXIF Injector. This is where an EXIF injector changes everything. It is a specialized tool that writes metadata directly into the binary structure of your image files. Not around them, inside them. Keywords, titles, descriptions, copyright, all embedded into the file itself. Inside, not around. And here is the key difference. The data becomes part of the file itself. Upload it, the metadata is there. Download it, still there. Copy it, email it, move it to another platform. The metadata travels with the image everywhere. It does not depend on a CMS. It does not depend on a listing. It does not depend on a page. The identity lives inside the file. Case study: the Etsy seller. Let us look at a concrete example. You are an Etsy seller. You take a stunning product photo of a handmade ceramic mug. Teal glaze, beautiful form. You are ready to list it. The photo looks perfect to your eyes. But what does it look like to the algorithm? Diagnostic before injection. This is what the server sees. The human view? A beautiful mug. The server view? Camera: iPhone 15 Pro. Aperture: f1.8. ISO: 200. That is it. Keywords: empty. Description: empty. The profile is naked, beautiful to humans, completely invisible to Etsy's search crawler and to Google. Diagnostic after injection. Now here is the same file after injection. Same photo, same pixels. But now the server sees keywords: ceramic mug, handmade pottery, coffee mug, stoneware, teal glaze, artisan gift, housewarming present. It sees a description: handmade ceramic coffee mug, teal glaze, 12 ounces, 25 searchable keywords, a descriptive title, complete attribution. Every algorithm now has full context to index and rank this image. Computer vision extraction / the AI superpower. And here is where it gets powerful. You do not have to write any of this yourself. Computer vision analyzes your image. It identifies the objects, the colors, the scene, the text. Stoneware, teal glaze, coffee mug. It automatically generates highly relevant keywords, writes titles, fills descriptions, and injects everything directly into the file. This is the AI superpower. What used to take 5 minutes per image now takes seconds. And it does not stop at one image, one click. Hundreds of images, each one analyzed individually, each one receiving unique, contextually accurate metadata. Minutes, not days. Whether you manage a portfolio of 5,000 stock photos, a product catalog with 2,000 images, or a client library with tens of thousands of files, the scale is no longer the bottleneck. The metadata is. Don't leave visibility on the table. Don't leave visibility on the table. If you are uploading images anywhere, to sell, to market, to publish, without injecting metadata, your files are empty. So are your competitors. The ones who figure this out first win the search results. Start at exifinjector.com. View your current metadata for free. Then inject what is missing. Your images have a voice. Give them one.